Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shaniece T. In this video, I'll be showing you how I apply my false lashes. I'll be showing you all the steps that I take to make sure they look as they are applied properly. So if you want to learn how to apply fake lashes, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Please like this video. If anything, please like this video, like it helps the channel grow so much. And subscribe if you like the vibe. In this video, you will need a pair of tweezers, your glue, mascara, any mascara, and your pair of lashes. Normally, every day I wear makeup, I put on a wing liner, but because I'm showing you how I put on my lashes, I won't be putting on wing liner. The first step is to put glue onto your lashes. I use the Duo glue, the one that dries down clear, because if you make a mistake, it will dry down clear and no one will see it. I'm still trying to build the confidence to use the glue that dry down black, but when that day comes, I'll figure it out. But for now, I'm going to use the clear one. The lashes I'm going to wear today are going to be the Luxe Beauty lashes in the type Spring. They are my favorite natural looking lashes. How I put the glue on is I hold the lashes just in my hand. I just hold the lashes in my hand and I slowly squeeze the glue to make it into a ball. I don't know if you can see that. And I run that across the lash band. Don't put too much because it will start clumping the lashes together. You just need a thin layer of glue on the band and then you put it down to semi-dry. And I'll do it again. I'll hold the lash upside down and I make a ball with the glue and then I run that across the band. Forgive me for the dirty lashes. So I put that down on a hard surface, not on material, to dry down halfway. So while my lashes dry, I'm gonna curl my lashes, my natural lashes, and put on mascara. You can use any regular lash curler. Now I'm going to put on my mascara and I'm going to use the Maybelline New York, the Colossal Big Shot mascara in black. Now my mascara is applied, I can put on my false lashes. On a normal day, I would apply the glue to my lashes and then I'll do my liquid eyeliner and that will give my lashes more time to dry. But because I only did mascara, my lashes could use a few more seconds to dry, or you could just shake them to dry them a little longer. So now the glue is a bit tacky, I can now apply them onto my lash line. You want to hold your lashes with your tweezer in the middle, like so. In the middle like that. Hold it in the middle and you want to get any mirror, I'm going to use this big mirror, and hold it below your chin and you look down into the mirror and you apply your lashes from above, like so. Okay, now that I put the middle of the lash onto my lash line, I let it go and then I move the back end. And I move the front. And then I look at it. And if you feel like you need to adjust it more, you can adjust it. And you can press it down to your skin. I can show you again. In the middle, look down, mirror below you. You look down, apply from above. The middle is done. You see, I put the lashes down before I wanted to and now there's a line of glue on my lid. Because it dries clear, it's not going to show. So now I'm going to adjust the front and adjust the back. And you can press it down if you want. You can wait until it dries down a little bit, or you can just press it down straight away. And that's how you apply your false lashes. I'm a big fan of the cat eye look, so when I do wear a liquid liner or when I do wear a wing liner, I normally put the back of the lash a bit higher in the wing liner to give the illusion of a cat eye, so the lashes like look like they're going up here. Because I have no liquid eyeliner on, I put it against my lash line. If you see any white here, that will dry down clear, but if you have an excessive amount, you can cover that with your liquid liner. So that's how I apply my fake lashes, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like the video. Please like the video to help up my channel, and subscribe if you like the vibe, and I will see you in the next video. If you have nothing else to do, you can watch these videos right here, because I know you want to. I know you want to. I have more tips. I know you want to. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.